This is Omarchy, a highly integrated, keyboard-centric Arch Linux environment engineered to eliminate the notorious maintenance burden associated with standalone window managers. By the end of this tutorial, you will possess a fully encrypted, automated bare metal Linux installation ready for immediate use. But before you begin the deployment protocol, you must secure the correct hardware. You need a target drive ready to be completely wiped, and specifically a wired USB keyboard or a 2.4 GHz wireless dongle keyboard. This diagram illustrates why standard Bluetooth keyboards fail during setup. Notice the closed lock at the pre-boot stage. The kernel's Bluetooth stack hasn't loaded into memory, meaning it cannot process Bluetooth keystrokes when the bootloader demands your decryption password. Respecting these strict peripheral limits guarantees you can type your password. Otherwise, you will permanently lock yourself out of your own encrypted volume immediately following a successful installation. Step 1. Prepare your installation media by flashing the Omarchy ISO to a USB drive using a bit-level tool like Balena Etcher or Caligula. Insert the drive, boot the target machine, and immediately enter your motherboard's BIOS settings. Inside the firmware interface, you must locate and definitively disable both Secure Boot and the Trusted Platform module. Leaving Secure Boot active while attempting to run the standard installer triggers immediate cryptographic signature failures. The kernel will fail to initialize, resulting in an unrecoverable black screen. Save your modified firmware settings and boot directly from the prepared USB drive. Upon successful initialization, the interactive terminal wizard launches automatically. Answer the initial series of prompts to establish your system hostname, primary user account, and regional keyboard layout. When prompted for disk selection, choose the default full disk installation parameter. This specific disk selection commands the installer to completely wipe the selected drive, establishing a new partition table and automatically applying LUKS encryption across the entire root volume. To finalize these parameters and initiate the build process, type the explicit confirmation string install config and press enter. By systematically removing firmware interference beforehand, the automated script is empowered to execute a pristine, cryptographically secure system population in less than 5 minutes. When the installation script concludes, physically remove the Omarchy USB drive and perform a hard reboot of the target machine. Immediately upon powering up, you will bypass the motherboard splash screen and arrive at the stark black interface of the Limini bootloader. The startup process actively halts here. The bootloader demands the LUKS decryption passphrase established during setup before allowing the kernel to read the drive. This pre-OS authentication barrier is exactly why the wired or 2.4 GHz keyboard connection was required. Type your passphrase and hit enter. The screen will seamlessly transition straight into the initialization of the pristine Omarchy Quickshell Wayland desktop environment. Enforcing this mandatory cryptographic barrier guarantees that even in the event of physical hardware theft, your underlying data remains completely inaccessible to hostile actors. You are now looking at the Quickshell ecosystem. It operates on an entirely event-driven architecture, reacting strictly to system signals, so the desktop environment consumes near-zero CPU cycles when idle. Look at the center of the screen. An interactive notification will immediately prompt you to select your default artificial intelligence coding agent, offering integrations like Claude Code, Google Gemini, or GitHub Copilot. This diagram shows how Mies handles AI agents. Instead of downloading massive binaries that bloat your disk, it uses tiny placeholder scripts. These stubs sit dormant until explicitly invoked, instantly pulling the required binaries into memory. Finalize your agent selection in the prompt. Now press the global keybind Super plus Shift plus Control plus A to instantly spawn your chosen default agent in a dedicated terminal window. This opinionated integration grants you instantaneous access to AI coding assistance precisely when you need it, without permanently sacrificing background system resources. Next, we must validate the inter-process communication layer. Press Super plus Space to summon the centralized application menu. The rapid appearance of the command palette confirms the shell daemon is active and responding. From the application menu, open the native foot terminal emulator. Type the command omarchy update and press enter. This chart details the automated sequence you just initiated. Notice that before any network transfer occurs, the command strictly triggers the local snapper utility to execute first. Snapper generates a bootable Btrfs snapshot of the root file system. This guarantees an exact, pristine recovery point is saved to your disk prior to downloading any new packages. Orchestrating the system update in this exact order eliminates the risk of broken package conflicts, allowing you to confidently maintain the distribution without unrecoverable errors. Your deployment is complete. You now operate a fully updated, highly secure, and efficiently integrated Wayland desktop environment. The root drive is protected by Lux encryption. Your preferred AI agent is instantly accessible via a global hotkey, and automatic snapshot orchestration secures every future system update. From here, you can manage the aesthetic state of the machine directly from the terminal router. Type Omarchy font list to view compatible typography, and Omarchy font set to apply your selection globally across the entire interface. For precise layout tuning, open the machine-level override file located at tilde/config/omarchy/shell.toml. Saving edits to this file triggers a live reflow of the interface, adjusting padding and visual parameters without requiring a session restart. By stripping away the massive configuration burden required to manually assemble independent window managers, you are left with a stable, highly curated platform that allows you to focus entirely on your work.